We've come up with some new innovative ideas as far as the type of sidings that we offer. We're not just a traditional log home company. We manufacture multiple products for the home. You know, we have people that'll buy and do their basement or a great room and use our barn wood that we make. We make all these different products, so it's not just your traditional log siding. We have a lot of homeowners that are do-it-yourselfers. It's easy for a do-it-yourselfer.
Anybody that's ever played with Lincoln logs as a kid can do this. Just stack and go. They've made it very homeowner friendly.
The pine was just as easy to work with as the exterior siding. It was really true, and for a do-it-yourselfer, it was a pretty easy application. If you're a relatively handy person, you wouldn't have any problem dealing with the product. I would recommend definitely WoodHaven, just because of their customer service. They've been so good to work with, and Rick, as the owner of the company, is really hands-on, and I talk to him personally on his cell phone if I have any issues, and so just from a customer service aspect, they've been good to deal with, and if you had the quality of their product on top of it, I wouldn't go anyplace else.